one?
Yeah.
I did not.
Okay, my turn.
You did.
Other one.
You did, Mom.
Who's there?
My dad.
What did I get?
The double.
So that means I get to have, wait a minute, where am I? I'm over here?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, you're still in jail, man. You gotta get doubles. What are you doing, Kurt?
Mama.
Come on. You did! You got doubles. So you get to go, how many is that? Count them. Count the dots.
1, 2. 1, 2.
Add them together. 1, 2, 3.
4.
Okay. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. You won. Or you landed on Virginia. You want to buy that one?
Yeah.
$160. Give me 100.
No, it's not.
No, you gotta pay out of your bank now. You got lots of money. Okay. Actually, you owe me $60 more. Give me a blue one. Blue. Kurt, you're not helping. Oh, you're so crude. And a 10. Which one has a 10 on it? It's yellow. Not gold, but yellow. Kirby.
Here.
That's 20. I need 10. Yellow one.
Where is it?
Here's the yellow one. Are you watching this? What are you doing? Okay, we'll get your Virginia after your daughter or your sister demolishes the whole table. Okay, put them back. Don't you put them in your mouth either.
I'm like in my car.
Yes.
Properly.
Just a minute. I have to get them from your sister. Are you having a good time filming this morning?
$7.
Crunch them
$7
and apple.
I have.
You have lots more than that. Oh, you may have $7. Oh, you do. 7 left. Did you count them?
Yeah.
You got it, count. Okay, you need a purple one called Virginia. Okay, let's find it.
Why?